So we get loads of guitars brought in and instruments. This is one's been donated. This is Eco Ranger. Ray was interested. I think it's wonderful and beautiful, and it was brought in dusty and old. I probably haven't been played for 30, 40 years. One of our volunteers came in, sorted the neck out, and as you can see, it's got a broken string, a bee sting. So my tip would be I'll change this thing. Take this little peg out. Bob goes your old string. You can take a new sting out, which is a B. In the peg, and then pull along. Put the string inside. I'll pull it taut-ish, and I'll probably snip this as well if you bother. I wouldn't, but it does ruin the inside of your guitar case if you've got a guitar gig bag. So I'd recommend cut them. And then you just pull the string and twist the string until it becomes in tune. And you've got a new playable guitar.